If you're also facing the warning called this unlicensed Adobe application has been disabled on your Photoshop. How you can simply solve this error, because this is usually due to the lag error or due to the authenticity of the application or the version you're using. So if you're using it on your application, you must just delete that app from your phone. You can remove it, uninstall it, or if you're using it on PC, just remove the browser and check your network connection. That is the first thing you have to do. Check the network connection or the Wi-Fi. If it's working fine for you, you must have connected the better and a good Wi-Fi network connection in order to use any type of Adobe products on your PC. Once you do this, if you face the problem again, you can restart your PC and restart all of the process of your personal computer, so it will give and it will give boost to your laptop. So yes, this is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching this.